In this video, I'll show you how to add a cloud dissolve text animation, a beautiful effect that makes your text fade away like drifting clouds. Let's go step by step. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on text, then tap Add Text and type the text you want to animate. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font that complements this effect. Soft, thin, or cinematic fonts usually work best for cloud-styled dissolves. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now switch to the Out section, which controls how your text exits the screen. Scroll through the animations and select Cloud Dissolve. As soon as you apply it, you'll see the text gently break apart and fade like clouds drifting away. In CapCut Mobile, text animations are applied directly to the text layer, so you don't need to add any extra layers or effects. To control how soft or fast the dissolve happens, use the duration slider, drag it to the left for a slow, cinematic cloud dissolve, or drag it to the right for a faster and lighter exit. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing so it matches the mood of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a cloud dissolve text animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut mobile text animation tutorials.